dedicate with Master Jazzy, my sons and wonders can't be.
Chemistry card.
We run the place. From Ghana to the world, we say. Boy. Hey, I may say one God, sound bag, one matic. Chemist records know say we have the tactics. Afro dancehall to the world, Beam Nation at the topic. The rest of them a move like a nappy. All kind of style and pattern and skill. African dancehall welcome to me a Brazil. Freestyle of the decade with Master Jazzy. My science and wonders can't see. Never season, never ending. You don't know, look out for the album. You don't know anything going to 2023. I got up, it I got mad, it I got sick. You see me, I'm telling you, one God representing. Yeah, I'm dead.
6 years of explosive performances by the leader of the movement, a culture, a nation, Beam Nation. Bernatone Music presents the ultimate African Caribbean link-up, the Grand Arena, Friday, 23rd December, the 6th edition of the annual BhimConcert with Stonebwoy and the legendary Busy Signal. VIP tickets going now for 500 Ghana cedis and 200 Ghana cedis regular. Visit BhimConcerts.com. Dial *365*2022# or call 0501-550-000 for VVIP table reservations. 23rd December, the Grand Arena, 7 p.m. prompt. Bernatone, Beam Nation to the world.
Can you come over? Right now, loneliness taking.
Yeah, so grab your tickets online. Yeah, the table's available. Just call 050-155-0000. So that's 050-1550,000. And we're going to serve you. We're going to see to you. Because, well, definitely we're here to enjoy life. Yes, live it up. No matter the level that you can access, live it up. Because life is for the living and life is worth living. Look out for the album coming next year. Next year is just around the corner. And don't be dismayed. Saying, stick in and stay true. Because yeah, the Beam Nation president don't disappoint. I know the vibe. Shout out to all of my loved ones out there. God bless you. You know everything said, man. Yes, bless up.